Conducting assessments as a school coordinator involves careful planning, organization, and adherence to educational best practices. Here's a general guide on how a school coordinator should conduct assessments. Understand the purpose. Clearly define the purpose of the assessment. Is it for formative assessment to guide instruction, summative assessment for grading, or diagnostic assessment to identify student needs? Align with curriculum and standards. Ensure that assessments align with the curriculum and educational standards. This helps in measuring student performance against established learning goals. Choose appropriate assessment methods. Select assessment methods that are appropriate for the learning objectives and the nature of the content. This could include written exams, projects, presentations, or practical demonstrations. Consider diverse learning styles. Take into account the diverse learning styles of students. Use a variety of assessment methods to cater to different ways students may express their understanding. Provide clear instructions. Clearly communicate the expectations and instructions for the assessment. Students should know what is expected of them and how they will be evaluated. Create fair and equitable assessments. Ensure assessments are fair and equitable for all students. Avoid biases and be aware of cultural differences that might affect performance. Use authentic assessment. Whenever possible, incorporate authentic assessments that mirror real-world situations. This helps students see the relevance of what they are learning. Establish a secure and proctored environment. Maintain the integrity of assessments by providing a secure and proctored environment, especially for high-stakes exams. This helps prevent cheating and ensures a level playing field. Provide timely and constructive feedback. Offer timely feedback to students, highlighting their strengths and areas for improvement. Constructive feedback helps guide future learning. Data analysis. Collect and analyze assessment data to identify trends, areas of strength, and areas that may need improvement. This information can inform instructional strategies and interventions. Continuous improvement. Use assessment results as a tool for continuous improvement. Evaluate the effectiveness of assessments and make adjustments based on feedback and outcomes. Communicate results. Communicate assessment results to students, parents, and other relevant stakeholders. This fosters transparency and helps everyone understand the progress and areas for growth. Professional development. Stay informed about best practices in assessment and participate in professional development opportunities to continually enhance assessment skills. Adapt to individual needs. Consider the individual needs of students, including those with special education requirements or English language learners. Make appropriate accommodations to ensure a fair assessment for all. Legal and ethical considerations. Adhere to legal and ethical guidelines related to assessments, including privacy and confidentiality of student information. By following these guidelines, a school coordinator can conduct assessments effectively, contributing to a supportive and conducive learning environment for students.